So Yogeshwar's historic victory boosted India's medal tally at London 2012 Olympics. Well, his bronze medal winning performance gives fresh hopes for Sushil Kumar to not just emulate his Beijing performance but also go one better and win a gold medal. Here's headlines today. Sports editor Gaurav Gala summing up the mood in India's wrestling camp after Saturday's high.
The London 2012 Olympic Games might be drawing to a close, but Yogeshwar Dutt, India's 60-kilogram freestyle wrestler, has breathed new life into India's campaign at the Olympic Games. He was not one of the favourites, and in fact he went out in the very first round to a three-time world champion from Russia. But Yogeshwar Dutt was absolutely determined. He's a seasoned campaigner and he showed all of that experience here at the Olympic Games. In the repechage round, he won his first bout without much of a fuss. In the second bout against his Iranian opponent, he was down in the first set, but he came back very, very strongly and went into the bronze medal match in contention for a bronze medal. It was there that he came up against a very, very tough opponent from North Korea, and all of this happened within a space of 55 minutes. He hardly had time to think about his next opponent, but against the North Korean, once again, he went down in the first set. But that's where Yogeshwar Dutt showed his experience, he showed his fortitude, his mental strength, and of course his physical strength. Because let's not forget, Yogeshwar Dutt had actually come back from a career-threatening injury not too long ago, and that was one of the reasons why he actually had to qualify for the main draw. He was not part of the original main draw here at London 2012. He had to qualify. He fought one more bout than most of his other opponents, and that really brings into perspective the momentous achievement of Yogeshwar Dutt. He won the final and he had the entire Excel Arena standing and applauding his effort. He said before the Olympics started that he was having nightmares at having missed out on a medal in Beijing 4 years ago. He did not want to experience that again, and he's certainly not going to do that, because Yogeshwar Dutt has stood on the podium. He's got an Olympic bronze medal around his neck. He can hold his head up high and come back to the country, be very proud of his own performances. And of course now he's brought a medal on the penultimate day. It's up to the senior member of the wrestling squad. It's up to Sushil Kumar to now emulate his very good friend Yogeshwar. If Sushil Kumar can add another medal on the final day of the Olympic Games, then that will carry India's tally to 6, which will be double of what we got at Beijing 4 years ago. With camera person Subodh Saxena, Gaurav Gala in London for Headlines Today.